Right, let's install BPM. So we're going to do a really simple install, just plain direct installation on Windows without connecting it to APM. And there is a good reason for that. When you operate BPM through the GUI, you get to validate the settings, you see everything laid out in front of you. And when you do it through the installation wizard, it's a little bit less effective, let's say, or well, it's not as full and rich as you would hope it to be. And when you connect various applications one to another, you want to have this validation, especially when you work with certificates. And this is definitely what we're about to do with this BPM. So we're just going to install it using all default settings. There we go. All colors are nice and blue. And there we go. Off it goes. So now let's let it run. There is nothing to see here except for marketing material until it finishes. So let's pause a second. While it runs, we'll install a local Java. The reason is, well, while we can connect from outside world to the BPM GUI, we still want to keep this option to operate it from the inside. So we will just go and install Java as well. And here we are going to keep everything on defaults too. So there it runs. In a second, it will pop up. There we go. So we're going to keep the default destination folder. And let's see if it can download really. Because if it can't, I'll need to go and modify the proxy. Let's see, and then there it goes, much better. And there is a stupid mistake that I made. Apparently, those two don't like each other. So yeah, try to make something faster, just go slower. So we'll wait for Java to finish its installation, and then we'll click on retry on the BPM installation. That's really weird. I wasn't expecting that. Well, usually I do my prerequisites before the installation. So there we go. Okay, Java has been installed. Click on retry. Yep, that's what it's doing right now. It's installing the GRE, and that was the contradiction between the two. So it's not at all times, but yeah, unfortunate chain of events. So let's keep it running and see what happens. Okay, there's the wizard. So we're going to run it as system user. If you have a choice of running it as on all defaults, just do it. Okay, so we're not going to use any authentication, because what for? Right, and then define instance. We'll skip the instance definition. That's the part that I was talking about, that the integration should be done from a proper place and not part of the initiation wizard, which has barely any fields to it and no real status verifications or anything like this. Just wastes your time. Unless you really know what you're doing and it works every single time, don't do it here because there is no point. Click on finish. The configuration wizard settings were successfully set. All right, fantastic. We are almost done. Looks pretty good. Yeah, one error encountered. Probably we are talking about the specific Java issue that we had. So let's review the log. Don't use recommended settings. Yes, don't. No, I don't want to go to Microsoft. Don't show this message again. Don't enable. Yes. Okay, so we go info. I hope it's color coded. It is, yes. Yeah, that's the error. So basically we kept going and everything's fine at this point. So we click on done and our BPM is installed. So now next step is to install actual APM for it and then integrate between the two.